Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different today, a little bit more fun. Actually, it's not really all that different, but to get straight to the point, today we are going to be talking about the Sephora birthday gift for February. I don't remember if Sephora does like the same birthday gift like every single month, but my birthday was in February and this was the birthday gift that I chose. So it says pucker up, it's your birthday. So from looking at the display, it's from Bite Beauty. So it looks like you get 3 different lip products, and I've never used Bite Beauty before. So this will be like a first impression of a Bite Beauty product. So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching. Alright, so opening up the box, you get 3 different things. So it looks like you get a lip balm and a lip balm and a lip scrub, so that's nice. Definitely will be trying that out. And you get a lipstick, a little mini lipstick. This is so cute. And you also get a lip crayon. So let's start with the first logical thing to try out, because my lips are a little bit crusty right now. Let's try the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm and Agave Sugar Lip Scrub. So let's see, it says which is which. So let's start with the scrub. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the scrub off. The scrub isn't bad. It's just not my thing. It's like really like, I mean, it's an agave lip scrub, so it's like really like sugary, really sweet, but I actually tasted it, and like it is not a good taste whatsoever. Now as far as taking off like all the dead skin on my lips, it did an okay job. So I'm just gonna wipe all this away. Alright, and the next thing we're going to try is the lip balm. So hopefully this is a little bit better than the lip scrub. Let's smell it first. It doesn't smell like anything whatsoever. And it's like really, really thick. So hopefully it is nice and moisturizing. So let's go ahead and get this on. Alright, so I do like the balm a little bit better than I do the scrub, but honestly, I have other balm. I've tried other lip balm products that felt a little bit more comfortable than this one does. And this one, like, I don't know how to describe it. It feels like, it doesn't feel heavy, but it definitely, my lips do feel moisturized, but I like to feel like a little bit more of a slip to my lips when it comes to like putting on lip balms and things like that. So I would say the lip scrub and the lip balm are both a pass for me personally. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the lip crayon first. So the lip crayon is the Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the color Glace or Glacé, or it's like French, I'm not sure. But it's like this pretty kind of like pinky nudie mauve color. So we're gonna try the lip crayon out, and this actually is a pretty good size. I don't know if this is a full size or like a deluxe sample size, but it's definitely a decent size. So let's go ahead and apply this. Alright, so this is the lipstick applied. It's definitely very, very comfortable. I typically do like lip crayons. The other lip crayons, just to give you a comparison, I like the MAC Lip Velveties that they used to have, but they no longer sell them, but I really love that because it was like a matte crayon type of thing, kind of similar to this. This is definitely very, very comfortable, and I actually don't mind the color at all. So I'm definitely probably going to use this a lot more. Like I said, it's definitely comfortable. As far as matte finish goes, it's probably because I put the lip balm on before, but it kind of gives like a more so of a satin finish, kind of like a demi-matte sort of finish, not completely matte. So it's a nice, comfortable, creamy matte, which is something I actually prefer just because I don't want anything that's super, super drying on the lips, unless, of course, it's a liquid lipstick. I know I'm really weird. I prefer my liquid lipsticks to be a little bit more drying than my actual regular kind of lip crayons or lipsticks. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and then we're going to try this little bad boy right here. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche, which is appropriately named Chai Lipstick. Alright, so that is this color. This is Chai. I am definitely feeling this right here. I'm feeling this formula actually. It's very, very comfortable. It has a nice, like, it's kind of similar to the MAC as far as like the feeling and how it went on the lips. Kind of like the MAC Amplified. I believe it's called the Amplified. Yeah, the MAC Amplified lipsticks is definitely similar feeling and finish as those. Definitely like this color. I had a little technical difficulty as I was putting it on. I kind of like broke it, so I mean, like, be careful with these. Just if you're applying them, only just take it out a little bit and just kind of put it on, because really creamy lip products like this tend to do that because they're a little bit softer. So just fair warning, like, that happens sometimes when you get a lipstick product that's like super creamy. But I definitely like this a little bit more compared to the lip crayons, so I will definitely probably, I like both of them. I just like this a little bit better as far as formula and color goes, because this is just a little bit lighter than this one. This is a little bit deeper, a little bit more pinker. Alright guys, so I know this is a really quick review. This is my first impressions on the Sephora birthday Bite Beauty lip sort of kit situation. So if you guys want to see more videos from me, definitely hit the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed, and don't forget to follow my social media pages, that is Snapchat and Instagram, all at DIAMANTEDUANE. I did post this glowy, it's going to be an Insta tutorial video pretty soon if it's not up already, so definitely go to my Instagram and check it out. But yeah, I will catch you guys later in another video. Bye.